I found A&E by Googling them. I found them online. They were one of the top results that came up. We inquired, we got in contact with them. They were very accommodating, very helpful. They were very kind as well, easy to work with. They were very, very helpful. They came, before they would come, they would always give us a call and let us know that they're coming. They were always on time. They always gave us the heads up. When they were here, they were very careful with all the work around. They were very neat. The job was done very well. So we really liked the result overall. When we spoke to Armin, he gave us an amazing breakdown of the measurements. He gave us many different ideas of how we can do the designs. He explained all the different types of woods, how it can work for this house specifically because we are by the water. He went over all the different colors. He was very accommodating. A few of the times we even messed up. He fixed all of the problems. He was not difficult about it at all. Very, very helpful about it. So we really enjoyed the service as well with Armin. I would call Armin at some point almost every day. He was always responding, even if it was late at night. They were very responsive, very quick. Even if they weren't able, he would always respond to me and say, I'll give you a call back, and he would always give me a call back. So in terms of being responsive, they were very, very great at that. It was a very old school kitchen. It was very old style. So the design that we envisioned, we wanted something very modern, but something, at the same time classic, and that's exactly what we were able to do with A&E. They designed all of the, the pull-out shelves, the island, everything is like perfect. It's exactly what we wanted. They were very helpful. It's even more than what we wanted. We really enjoyed the design that we ended up having. Like when we first got the house, there was no island here. The one thing we did really want in the kitchen was an island, and it definitely brought us closer together. It's very easy to cook with. It's very easy to have gatherings around, so we're all able to cook and talk at the same time. The island is probably the best part of the kitchen. We really like it. We felt like we didn't have enough space in the kitchen in terms of storage, so we built an extra space for pantry, which we absolutely love. With the design, Armin was very helpful to pick out the mirror design that we have going there, so that's what we were able to do for extra storage. Very helpful for a family of 6. So when we started off with the kitchen, we did a lot of research, and why we ended up choosing A&E. Price was really good, quality was really, really good. You definitely get what you pay for. So we would definitely recommend them to anyone that would ever, ask us about our kitchen, 100%.